How to unlock your debit card on the Capital One Bank app. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. In order to unlock your Capital One Bank debit card using the Capital One mobile app in 2024, follow the following steps. Note that the steps may vary slightly based on the updates to the app's interface. First of all, you have to open the Capital One mobile application if you're using your mobile device, then log into your account and navigate to the account settings to manage your debit card. Look at card services or a similar option within the account settings and select lock or unlock card in the card services menu. Verify your identity through the username, password or biometric authentication and unlock your debit card by selecting the option next to its listing. Confirm your decision to unlock the card and receive a confirmation message within the app. Verify the card's functionality by making transactions and contact the Capital One's customer support for the assistance if needed. So this was all about how to unlock your debit card on the Capital One Bank app. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.